passed the bar in 2000, first time, and I've spent most of my years litigating. I consider myself a trial attorney. I have litigated cases from Bay County to Monroe County and many counties in between. I enjoy the courtroom setting. I enjoy picking juries. I think that is what is fun about law. That I couldn't sit and do transactional law all the time. That would drive me crazy. We at Mike Amico Law Group are both trial-oriented attorneys. Both of us have spent most of our time in the courtroom. I spent most of my childhood in Perry, Georgia. I went to Emory University in Atlanta for undergrad, and then Nova Southeastern University in Fort Lauderdale for law school. I first met up with Christopher Roy, who, day of orientation, we met up and we're friends ever since. We both came back to Polk County to practice law. After we both graduated and passed the bar, that would have been 2000. I spent a number of years here, then went to the west coast of Florida to practice, and decided to come back to Polk County and put my practice together with Christopher's. Along the way, he and I met two beautiful women who would become our wives, who are also sisters. That makes us brother-in-laws. Well, what made me want to become a lawyer? That's kind of a hard question. I'm not going to sit here and say that it's something that I thought up when I was 3 years old watching LA Law, but I guess I would have been a little bit older than 3 also. But I guess I can say that, during my college years, the influences on philosophy and debating were what brought forward my zeal for the adversarial process. That is what law is all about in the end. We all try and get along up until, say, a trial, and then, if you can't resolve that disagreement, then we have a way of doing it without coming to blows, and that's a beautiful thing. And it's a lot of what our country is based on, quite honestly.